Hey guys, you are watching Guaranteed Country, and my name is Justin. I appreciate you watching. Today, we are out on our family farm. We call it 9 Mile Farm, and we've had it for 2 years, and we're loving every minute of it. So today, we are working on a project. It's supposed to rain all day, but we've had pretty good weather, and so we've done a lot of weeding. At some point, I will go around and kind of introduce the farm to you guys, and we bought a chunk of ground in central Illinois, and we had to farm it the first year, and now we have it as part of the Illinois CRP program, and we have taken everything else that was production ground, and we are making it part of it habitat cover for small game and deer. And then you can also see a whole bunch of tubes going back. We have a whole bunch of fruit trees, both for us, as well as hoping to support wildlife, deer, and things like that. So we've done a whole bunch of weeding today. We got a whole bunch of asparagus patch right here that we're going to have that will be something we'll get to enjoy for years to come. We got tomatoes, and we're actually doing popcorn as well, which is pretty neat. So one of the things we're going to work on today is a trellis for all of our berry plants. So we're going to kind of take you along with us and show you how we're planning on making it today. So now we are working on putting some cross braces for our trellis. So my dad and my uncle put these treated posts 2 foot in the ground apiece, almost 6 foot above. And we're working on cross bracing. So we have treated lumber, and we are going down. We have 4 different sections, and we got 2 different types of blackberries, and we're gonna get these up, and then we will show you what our next step is. We are quite impressed with how it's turned out so far. So we got both of our upper and lower cross braces on. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing this first set from the first to the second. Then we're going to do a break. We got some blueberry plants in there. And then we're going to do a second one down there from the last 2. So next up, we got to do some holes, and we're going to start stringing our metal wire. So in order to run our wire from one side of the trellis to the other, we're using these one-way anchors. We purchased those off of Amazon. I'll link them in the description below. So the premise, just like a Chinese finger toy, where the wire will run through, and as it pulls through, it then gets tighter and tighter. So we've made all of our pilot holes, and now we're just getting these installed, and we'll start running our wire. So all we've done here is put the wire in one side. You put it from the back to the front. As soon as you do that, it locks in place. And then we have strung the wire going down to the opposite side. We've cut it to length, and now we're going to put it in.
Okay, that's good for now. One-way anchor.
Okay, so we ran out of our supplies on getting the lines tight, but you can see we did get all 3 of the bottom and then one of the top lines done. And what we're going to end up doing is putting a metal stake basically halfway from one wood to the other, and we'll use a T-post, and we'll tie it off just to help provide some support there in the middle. And otherwise, we'll kind of then pull some of the lines tight and wait for our berry plants to continue to grow. we ended up going through and tried to go half the distance between both of our trellises, and then we went ahead and put in 3 T-posts, and now we are tying off the metal wire to the T-post, and then we will pull it nice and tight. I wanted to provide a quick update to the trellis project as we put it out. This is the finished product, and we do need to put some anchoring in still here from the corner, or from the ends down, so as they do grow, it helps keep everything nice and tight. But we did, all of these are first year growth of the canes, so we do have them tied up. We planted these, some of them were last fall, some were this spring, but we had a lot of good growth on it, and all in all, the project's worked really good, and we look forward to next year. As the canes continue to grow, we will loop them and tie them and make it nice and easy to pick the fruit as they come on. So awesome project, and couldn't have turned out any better. Appreciate you guys watching.